Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're doing a little unboxing on a docking station for the Xbox One controller, rechargeable kit. It's called the twin docking station, as you guys can tell. Now this comes, it's for obviously all Xbox One controllers. It even says they're compatible with Xbox One controller, official standards, elite controller. It even says the up to 18 hours of power, batteries included, which is really handy. It says charges on standby, drop and charge. So you've got basically all of that. And that's obviously how the box looks. You got them in, again, various languages all over there. And then that's what it looks like from the back. So yeah, let's go unbox this and see exactly how it looks from the inside. Obviously I have not opened this. I've had this for the last week, but just again getting around to doing the video. So generally take it out as there's stuff that could get dropped. Now I'm gonna put the box one side. You get this like little pad, user guide, but again you don't really need it, so never mind with that. So but yeah, you get a bag like this, so which is quite nice, you know. And that's what it looks like on the inside. You got the little power support in there. Then you have obviously the charging points which go over there. Now that's what they come as well, which obviously when you open the box up, it sits like that with obviously the wrapper on it. One thing I didn't actually, which I didn't notice, it's got these 4 little rubber pads on here, which I'm assuming is to stop the slip, but store on my desktop it still has a bit of a slip, but it has more grip than if it was on a plastic surface. So yeah, that's quite a nice little feature there as well. It supplies with the power supply as well over there, and then you got your 2 batteries which are located in there, which now again they look really nice compared to what you would normally have, which I will get in a second. You get 2 obviously, which is really nice, so you can always have one on charge, play with the one up to 18 hours of gameplay, and then swap them around. Alright, 1 second, I'm just going to get my Xbox controller. There we go. Right. Let me just quickly turn off my... So basically, you all know obviously how it all works. You get this little plastic thing which is there. Again, mine are obviously all rechargeable batteries. You take it out like that. That's what it looks from the back. Don't throw it on the floor. Never mind, I'll pick that one up later. Again, it just slides in only one way, like that. Look at that. And then, but now that's plugged in, you would just normally have your controller like that. Quite cool, ain't it? And it sits there nice and firm on the charging point. Now I will have a look at one other thing. It does slide off quite easy, but you can't really charge it without having it attached to the controller, because again this is so big. That's exactly how it would sit. So you need basically, it said obviously where there's these 2 points, it won't, it doesn't work basically. So you have to obviously use the controller as you would normally charge your batteries, and then you just, yeah, slip it on like that. But yeah, it's quite cool, very, very cool. But what I will do though now is put it on and see exactly how it will actually work. So bear with me 1 second and we will see exactly. That's also quite cool. It's really long, which is really nice. So I'll plug it into my PC for a second, as that would be, it should be power efficient, and see exactly how this thing powers on. There we go. That's quite cool. Right, I've just obviously turned it on. So the moment you put it on, obviously with it like that, the moment you put it on, as you can see, a little light comes on. You take it back off, the light comes off. So that means obviously it's red, means it's charging. When it goes green, it's fully charged. So that's it for this video, guys. If you guys did enjoy this video, please smack a like, comment down below, let me know what you guys think of the video. If it was helping anyway, I paid £15 for this. Obviously now if you can get them in America or whatnot, but yeah, £15 for this little bit of kit. It's the twin docking station for the Xbox One controllers. Now it does say it's compatible with the Elite controller, so definitely not a bad thing to have if you want to, if you obviously playing your gaming a lot but not having to keep buying batteries, and it has up to 18 hours of battery life. So again, guys, not a bad thing to do. It's a quick, just as you know, you can, if you got two controllers, you can bang 2 controllers on them, not a problem. You know, it's quite a cool little thing to have. But yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was some sort of, hope you got, well, basically just, if you guys did find this in any way helpful, you know, to do comments, smack the like, tell me what you guys think.